name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I started at IRS in 1973. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution matters. I've worked over 10,000 cases. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, and to the point. And if anyone tells you anything different than what I tell you, chances are they're lying to you. So I used to work the offer and compromise program or the tax debt relief program. They're really one and the same. The IRS terminology for IRS federal tax debt relief is offer and compromise, just so you know. I used to work the offer program, taught the offer program, used to accept offers and deny offers. There's probably nobody in the US that has more experience than me working offers and compromise. Today, I want to talk to you about the false advertisement connected with the offer and compromise and tax debt relief debt system that we have. A lot of these ads are focused on people that when you call the company, they will try to sell you on an offer and compromise for federal tax debt relief. In fact, only 18,000 people last year had their offer and compromise for tax debt relief taken care of. So what happens is when you call these agencies, the bigger companies, you're going to get a salesperson on the phone. And chances are they're going to tell you that we think we have a good shot at getting your offer and compromise through. I've called some of these companies, and the salesmen are very slick. They'll say, well, yeah, we think we have a good shot. Let's do this and this. And the next thing, about 9 months or 12 months later, that you found out that your offer and compromise for tax debt relief was a bunch of money. The offer and compromise program is a very specific program. There's a pre-qualifier tool that you can go to. It's at irs.gov, the pre-qualifier tool for offers and compromise. You can walk through that scenario. It'll take you a minute and you'll get a good idea, not the true idea, of whether IRS will accept your offer. If I look at your current financial statement on a 433A, if you send it to me, I'll let you know whether you're a candidate or not. That's what it takes to get, I know exactly what it takes to get the offers through. And I want to give you a little bit of a hint because you don't even have to look at this program unless you know that you're a qualified candidate. So if you owe IRS $80,000 and you have $150,000 worth of assets, equity in your home, a pension, car, bank account, IRS is not going to accept your offer and compromise. IRS wants the total liquidity you have in all your assets. That is the least amount that they're going to take for the offer. So don't call a company and saying, I want to settle my debt if you have enough equity in your assets to go ahead and satisfy the debt. Now, IRS discounts your homestead by 20% in that calculation. IRS is also going to look at the value of your income versus necessary living expenses that they allow. There's an actual formula that IRS follows for the offer and compromise. It's not judgment, it's not random. You just can't say, IRS, here's 40, settle this 60. You can't do that. That form is very specific. IRS spends between 10 and 20 hours working an offer and compromise program. I know because I used to accept offers and compromise. So if you think you're a valid candidate, you're welcome to ask me for a free consultation, or we can do the representation, but I will not go ahead and file an offer and compromise that I know is not going to be accepted. So don't believe the false advertising that you're going to get your offer and compromise through because some company has this really clever, creative marketing ad to get you to call them and call up. Unless you know the formula, don't bother to give your money. If someone hasn't gone over your financial statement, they can't tell you whether you're an offer candidate. So don't believe the crap some of these people are peddling. Listen, I like to give you the information you need. YouTube values me by the subscriptions, in fact, that I have, or people who sign up. If you could go ahead and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. You can leave comments. If you want me to do a YouTube on something, just leave it in the comments section. You're always welcome to give me a like. But anyway, you have all the information you need. Don't forget the subscription. Thank you very much. I'm open to do representation or your free consultation. Have a good one.